Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, before this we have clear the concept of biodiversity. Bio mean life, diversity mean variety. Biodiversity mean the variety of living organism. So in this video, our objective is to understand that how to conserve the biodiversity and what are the problems associated with the biodiversity and what are the reasons to conserve the biodiversity. So let's start. Pakistan is one of few countries in the world to have every kind of geographical structure. Geographical structure mean the land, hill, plateau, etc. The geography of Pakistan is blend of landscapes, and you will find the plains, desert, forest, hill, and the plateaus, the landscape at height. There are the coastal areas near to the seaside, along the Arabian Sea and the mountains of Karakoram range in north of Pakistan. This diversity contains diversified habitat and the landscapes that support a rich biodiversity of both fauna, animals, and flora. Flora mean plants. Plants, respectively. Arid and semi-arid region. Arid mean the land or a region having little rain. Arid land and semi-arid region cover almost 80% of the total land area of the country, possess significant portion of country's biodiversity. During the last 2-3 decades, the number of animals and plant species have become threatened or endangered, mainly due to this problem. Due to overcome and due to overexploitation and loss of natural habitat, factors like deforestation, because whenever we will cut the tree, obviously the other lives will be disturbed, and overgrazing, if the animal will graze more than the plant. Soil erosion, it means when the soil will displace, and it is a form of soil degradation. And the salinity, it means the soil have greater amount of salt than required. And the water logging, water logging is actually the land having saturated water, and that land is unable to cultivate the crop, are posing major threat to the remaining biodiversity of the country. Continuing loss of forest habitat with its associated fauna and flora will have serious implication for the nation's other natural and agricultural ecosystems. And what is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a community of group of living organisms that live in land and interact with each other in a specific environment. To overcome all these problems, biodiversity should pay attention. Simply, we will say that conservation simply is the way of caring, saving the species inhabitants on the earth from the dangers. What are the reasons to conserve biodiversity? It means why we have to conserve the biodiversity, the variety of organism. Biologists warn that the global ecosystem would be collapsed if the biodiversity continuously to be reduced at the same rate. Therefore, it is mandatory to conserve life on earth in order to make nature stable. Some of the key points are highlighted below to conserve the biodiversity. 1. Women should conserve biodiversity because of its benefit. For example, services and biological resources which are essential to live our life on earth. It means we have the need of variety of organism to get the different material for making different things, and to get various services. And biodiversity boosts ecosystem productivity, where each species can easily survive in their habitat. If the one will not conserve biodiversity as the food chain. What is food chain? Food chain is actually a linear network of links in a food starting from plant and ending at predator or decomposer. So biodiversity boost ecosystem productivity, where each species can easily survive in their habitat. If one will not be conserved biodiversity, so food chain and ecosystem will be imbalanced. With more plant and trees and animals, the soil improve and becomes stronger, less prone to erosion. Drought mean the long period of abnormality due to the low rain, and drought and the flooding as well. Students, this graph is showing the data of biodiversity at risk. On the x-axis, the name of species are mentioned from mammals to plants, and on the y-axis, percentage of these species are given and represented by critically endangered species by red color, endangered species by orange color, and vulnerable species by the yellow color. The problem the government and the people are facing to conserve the biodiversity in Pakistan. The article from the 2009 Biodiversity in Pakistan key issue identified some of the primary challenges to implement Biodiversity Action Plan BAPR. Number one, the lack of awareness of environmental issues on the part of decision makers and the civil society. It means there was no awareness. The environment is facing which kind of issues. And the second, weak governance means slow decision making process. It means whenever there is a need by processing the application and request to higher authority, there is also time consuming procedure. So weak awareness, it means slow decision making process, inability to conceptualize policy, and the lack of distinction between the public and the private interest. Weak capacity of government department, it means the lack of individual capacity and incentive for performance, and the lack of funding. These are the major cause or problems which are the government and the public is facing to conserve the biodiversity. So further we will discuss the problem associated to conserve biodiversity due to human intervention. Actually, all the activities are going on in the universe that affect on our environment. So here we will discuss the problem associated to the human beings. So the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, reported that 75% of genetic diversity of agricultural crop has been lost. 75% of the world fishes are overexploited. It means they are catching fishes more than the need. And one third of coral reefs are threatened with extinction. Man is the factor which is directly involved in the destruction of biodiversity. The table below shows some of the human intervention in the loss of biodiversity. What kind of human activities are going on to deteriorate the biodiversity? Number one, urbanization or industrialization. It means the village area is gradually converting into the cities areas, and overpopulation lead to need of building, so biodiversity is affected. Secondly, human being is cutting the tree, it means deforestation. So due to this, The problem rise, that is soil erosion, plant life destroy, low rainfall, and the climate change. And third one is pollution, that is problem causing by the human being that lead to the global warming, and these also affect the biodiversity, either soil erosion, etc., either global warming, either the overpopulation lead to the need of buildings, and third is the overhunting, more than license. There are the rule in Pakistan that every hunter should have the license, who have the limit to hunt the animals, but direct killing of wild animal can also affect the biodiversity. It means human activities are urbanization or industrialization, deforestation, pollution, and overhunting. All these causing the final effect on the biodiversity. That's why the biodiversity is in danger. So this one is the percentage of it is shown by the pie graph over here, and due to the change in human activities, the climate change are not the only pressure on our environment, habitat loss and degradation, pollution, overexploitation, and invasive species also play significant role in the biodiversity decline. These pressures are because of human invading activity.